But first up, it would be great if you could turn on the rain anytime you want, but you can't. Maybe an automatic sprinkler system is what you need. Today, we're going to show you what it takes to install one of these in your own home and their benefits. So if you're having a sprinkler system installed in your home, chances are that contractor is starting in a place just like this. We're at Phoenix Irrigation Supply, and this is where they buy all the fittings and the pipes and the controllers to make sure the system works. But you need to make sure you have it designed the right way. Joining us today is Dean Goodenough, a design consultant with Goodenough Incorporated. Thanks for joining us.
Yes, thank you.
Now, you are a former contractor, and now you spend your time designing and consulting on systems, right?
Yes, that's correct.
So I think people's conception is that sprinkler systems actually waste water, but that's really not the case.
No, it really isn't. With a hose end sprinkler, it gets turned on, and you may have it on for 20 minutes, you may leave it on for an hour. So when you put in an automatic system, you can program exactly how long it turns on and off for. With this system, this has a weather station and a controller. The controller is programmed with your zip code, with type of soil, degree of grade, sun or shade, and type of plant. Then the weather station monitors rain, wind, and temperature, so it waters exactly how long it's needed.
So let's talk about installation. What are some of the expectations of what a homeowner will see when a contractor shows up to install a system in their home?
First of all, you have a licensed plumber come in and install the indoor piping and put in a backflow device.
Okay.
After that, the contractor would show up. They use a machine that pulls the pipe in the ground. It's a small tractor that they walk alongside, and it puts the pipe in the ground, leaves a slit in your lawn. They will put flags where the heads go, and then they will drive the machine from head to head and put the pipe in the ground.
Okay.
Then you dig a hole for each head. You have to put an electronic valve to run a group of heads, and then you have your controller, either in the basement or garage, that runs the whole system.
How long should it take to install one of these systems?
If you're looking at a quarter-acre lot, a four-man crew would have it done probably in one day.
Obviously, after you install this system, there's maintenance involved, right?
Your system in the northern climates where it will freeze, you need to get all the water out of the system for wintertime. So the contractor shows up with the compressor and blows all of the water out of the system. And then in the spring, they would return, turn on the system, check all the heads, and make sure that everything is working properly.
I realize, too, you can't quote a firm number, but with that same quarter-acre example, what's the average cost to install a sprinkler system?
Typically, you'd probably be looking about $4,000.
And then that maintenance that you talked about in the northern climates, what does that typically cost annually?
Probably anywhere from $85 to $100 for your typical quarter-acre lot.
Right. Dean, thanks so much for joining us. So as you can see, maybe there's an automatic sprinkler system in your future. It's a great way to add value to your home and make it easier to maintain. If you'd like more information, check out our website at HouseSmartsTV.com.